Hi guys, welcome to Alex Dynamics YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up a business email account on your Hostinger, which is Hpanel, and your cPanel today. So let's go into it. So right now we are in our Hostinger account, so we are going to make use of this domain to create our own domain email, which is also considered as work email. So currently now I've set up what's it called, my domain, and I've done everything I need to do. But I need to set up the email, which is still on pending setup. Just come to your free email. So with Hostinger, you can buy an email plan for them, or you can just use the free version, which is this one. So I'll be like, let me just get started with this. All right, so we are going to choose, you can decide to choose the business starter, which is going to be $4 per year. So if you click on get started, you can choose the 12 months. So which is the 12 month, which is going to be $4 in total. But basically, we are not using that. Today is going to be free, so we are going to be using the free version, which is going to be $0.0 for the next 12 months. So we just click on start trial. So once you do that, all right. So our email starter free trial, business starter free trial started. So in this plan now, because it's a free trial, you only have access to 2 mailbox, but you can have 50 aliases. So basically, the alias means that you can use different email. You can create different email alias, like, well, let's say you have like admin at admin at so. Once you create the admin as, right now our domain is notebrookholdings.com. So let's say we create as notebrookholdings.com now. So that's our primary email. So we can create another one, probably support, or probably something that is important that we want to share the mailbox. So now we can now create multiple aliases. We can now create customer support. You can create support. You can create info. All those things one can be an alias, because we are using a free trial. We can upgrade to the full version whereby we can have unlimited email, and it's just going to be 4 point something dollar for a year. But right now, this tutorial is for you to teach you free email for the next 12 months. So just create mailbox. So in this video now, we are going to be creating admin. We are going to be creating admin. Then we are going to be using the password. So we're going to be using this pass. We are going to put our password. So we've created, so this is our admin. So we're going to create admin at notebrookholding.com, then put in our password, and that's what then we hit create. After that, our email box is set up. So this just shows you how you can log in the email. So on Nostinger now, if you want to log into your email, so you come to mail.hostinger.com. Then once you come, then you just put in your email. So admin at notebrookholding.com. Then put in the password, which is going to be login. So voila, we are in our email box. So that's how you log in into the. So let me now teach you how to set up an alias. So if you come here to create an alias, so this is where you come, you create an alias. So you can say you can create up to 50 alias per mailbox. So let's create one. So let's create, for now we've created four. So it's going to, the mailbox is going to be admin. So let's create support, create. So any mail that comes to this support now, we go directly into the admin box, but you can use the support to send email on its own. So, oh, sorry. So we've created two alias. So you can create as many alias as you like. So on that same email. So now let's log into the email now. So now let's check our alias. So we come to compose. So once you come to compose, it will automatically select the primary email. So just need to do, just click on this drop down, then select which of the alias you want to message. So this is the one we created, which is support. So once you click on the support, then you can send the email. So the email will appear in the person box from support. But if they reply back to this email, so the email will be inside this email. It will be inside this admin email. That is where you can reply. So if you want to reply back, you can still choose which alias you want to use. That's because you're using free email. But if you pay for their paid plan, which is about four something dollar, they can create as many email whereby everybody will have control over is receiving and sending of the email. So that's for Hostinger. So let's quickly go to the cPanel version, which I'll be using Namecheap for. So right now we're in our cPanel. So all you just need to do is just navigate down, then you will see email account, or you can easily search here and just search email. So sorry. So you can just search email. So but right here we are here already. So we click on the email account. So once you come to the email account, so saying okay, I've only created one email here. So you can create as many emails as you like. So I'll be creating email for one of my domain on here. So you just come to create. Once you come on create, so you can select domain. I have multiple domain on here, both the main primary domain, add-on domains, and subdomain. So but I will be doing for the this primary domain here. So I've selected the domain. So I'll just input what I want. I'll put admin. So as I put the admin, so then I'll come here and I'll create. You can generate the password, but I guess you can just input your password. Say that you set your password yourself. Choose your own password. So then let's create my password. So then yeah, the password strength has to, it has to exceed 80 for you to be granted. So this has to be full green, or at least you have to get about 1, 2, 3, 4 greens before you can be able to use the email. So my own password is good. All right, so the password is good. So if you want to create more than one email at a go, so you can just click on this button. So once you create, it will still put you on this page. But me, I want to leave this page because I only want to create one email. So once I just create email, so it should be creating, then boom, it has created. So I can easily leave this. So that's creates my email right here. So you can easily check your email from here. You can check your email from here. It will take you directly to the email, web mail. But rather than doing that, so just click on open here, to take it to your own. It's the same web email as that one, but that this is just a different provider entirely. But hold on. But right now, if you want to open this email, but you don't want to, probably want to give it to your client, so just come to your domain name. So let me quickly copy this. So once you copy your domain name, so you want to go to email, just click on the domain name. The easier just slash webmail. Once you click slash webmail and you just go, so it will take you directly to the, so it will redirect you directly to the domain name and prompt you to log in. So we just put in our email, so admin at, then you put it, so then you put your password, so then you log in. So if your login credential is correct, it's going to log you in into your email. You can see, so it's brand group that is provider of this. So if your it's okay, so we log in into our email. As you can see, we are here in our email. Then you can do anything in your email. You can check your email. You can check it on phone through browser. And if you want to log it on your Gmail app, just go to your Gmail app. I'm not going to be showing you that. Just go to your Gmail app, click on others, go to add accounts, click on others. Then once you click on others, just put in your credentials and if you log in. So that's that. Thank you. And please like and subscribe for more quick tutorial like this. And you can check out our other videos on no code web development and all that. Thank you very much. Bye.